ready to transform casual chats into actionable gold. Let's dive into unlocking the power of feedback within Wati to supercharge your business. First, access your chat transcripts. Head over to your Wati dashboard and locate the chats or inbox section. This is where the magic begins, the raw, unfiltered voice of your customer. Now, dig into those conversations, read through the transcripts, paying close attention to comments, suggestions or frustrations expressed by your users. Look for keywords that will indicate the sentiment, highlight and take notes on sections where a user is providing feedback. Time to collect feedback using Wati. You can integrate Postchat survey tools within Wati such as Qualtrics to get feedback. Furthermore, engage by directly asking customers questions in your chats. Finally, tag conversations based on feedback categories to make them easier to find, like feature request or bug report, all to ensure you are improving. Time to create your Postchat survey questions. Keep it short, simple, and relevant. Let's say it's about the recent support interaction, so ask about satisfaction, helpfulness, and efficiency. This will enhance your data and insights. Finally, analyze the data you collected for new trends. Wati's reporting and analytics section can help you identify patterns in customer feedback. What features are being requested the most? What are the most common pain points? Leverage these takeaways to make data-driven decisions about product development and your business strategy.